Every generation experiences a moment that changes the world forever. For our grandparents, it was electricity. For our parents, it was the computer. For many of us, it was the internet. And today, that moment is artificial intelligence. Almost every day that there's another headline, a new AI breakthrough, $1 billion investment, a company transforming the way it works, or another prediction about jobs disappearing. It's enough to make anyone wonder, what does the future really look like? According to the World Economic Forum, technological change is expected to create 170 million new jobs by the year 2030. At the same time, around 92 million existing roles could disappear or be fundamentally transformed. That's a net gain of 78 million jobs. Think about that for a moment. This isn't simply a story about jobs disappearing. It's a story about work itself, being reinvented. Around the world, companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and countless others are investing billions of dollars, not because AI is a passing trend, but because they believe it will become as important as electricity or the internet. And when businesses invest at that scale, careers begin to change. Entire industries begin to change. Eventually, society changes. That creates uncertainty. Will my job still exist? Will my skills still matter? Should I learn something new? These are questions millions of people are asking today. But perhaps we're asking the wrong question. Instead of asking, which jobs will AI replace? Maybe we should be asking, what new opportunities will AI create? Because history tells us something remarkable, and every technological revolution has eliminated some jobs, but every one of them has also created professions that previous generations couldn't even imagine. There was a time when no one had heard of an app developer, a cybersecurity specialist, a cloud architect, a YouTube creator. Today, those careers employ millions of people around the world. Artificial intelligence is beginning the next chapter, not simply by replacing work, but by changing what work looks like, creating new industries, new businesses, new careers, and perhaps new opportunity for people willing to adapt. If you only listen to today's headlines, you might believe that artificial intelligence is unlike anything humanity has ever seen. A technology capable of changing everything, and in many ways, that's true. But history tells a different story. Every generation has believed that the greatest invention of its time would change the world forever. And every generation was right. Let's travel back more than 200 years to the Industrial Revolution. Steam-powered machines transformed the way goods were made. Factories expanded. Production increased. Entire economies began to grow. But for millions of workers, the future suddenly became uncertain. Many feared that machines would replace human labor forever. Some jobs disappeared. Others changed beyond recognition. It was a time of enormous disruption, but it was also a time of extraordinary opportunity, because something remarkable happened. Entirely new industries emerged: railways, steel manufacturing, mechanical engineering, industrial design, equipment maintenance. Careers that had never existed before became essential to a rapidly changing world. Technology didn't eliminate work, it transformed it, and that pattern would repeat itself again. Fast forward Another 100 years, the computer arrived, and once again people predicted the end of work as they knew it. Typewriters disappeared, paper records became digital databases, calculators became software, routine office tasks were increasingly automated. It felt like another turning point. But what happened next was something few people expected. The digital economy created entirely new professions: software developers, network engineers, database administrators, cybersecurity specialists, IT consultants. Millions of careers were created because technology opened new possibilities. Then came the Internet, perhaps the greatest communication revolution in modern history. Businesses transformed. Shopping moved online. Marketing became digital. Information traveled across the world in seconds. And once again, history repeated itself. New careers emerged: app developers, digital marketers, SEO specialists, cloud architects, content creators. Jobs that barely existed just one generation ago became some of the fastest growing careers in the world. History was trying to teach us something. If you found this video valuable and you want insights into artificial intelligence, the future of work, technology, business, and the global economy, then subscribe to Future Scope videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.